Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your PC if it doesn't detect your headphone microphone. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check if your microphone or headset is a USB or 3.5 mm. Okay? So if you have 3.5 mm, make sure that the headset is connected to green and your microphone is connected to pink. All right. Now, what if you're using a laptop and you have this headphone that got two wires? I'm just going to call them wires. One for a line out and one for microphone. But your laptop only got one port. Okay. So you will need to buy a splitter. Okay. You will need to buy one of these, just like this one. Okay, two females and one male. Now, what if you have a headset with only one jack? Okay, so for example, again, only one jack. You can only insert it to line out or output, but there's no way that you could use your microphone without connecting it to the microphone port. So what you'll do is buy this one. Okay, one female, so that you'll be able to split the connection for your headset and for your mic. You'll connect it right here and right here. That's basically it. Now, for some devices, it could be that your microphone is having a problem, okay? Try to unplug it and then plug it back in. And while you do that, go ahead over to your sound icon right here, right click on it and click on sound settings. Okay, again, plug it, unplug it and plug it back in. You'll be able to see that in here. Now, if you can spot it, go ahead and scroll down, click on more sound settings, and then go to recordings and make sure that your microphone is set as default, just like this one right here. If you don't know how to set it up as default, just click on one, click on set as default. All right. Double click on your microphone, go to levels, amp it up, advanced, untick enable audio enhancements, hit on apply, hit on OK, OK, and you should be good to go. And lastly here, if those things doesn't help, well, just make sure that you update your system. Type it down right here on your search bar, system updates, and click on check for updates. Install all available updates from here at the top. Now go ahead and go to advanced options, optional features or updates, as everything listed right here will be a driver for your devices, such as Bluetooth devices, microphones, headsets, and etc. Install them all, and after that, it will ask you to restart your computer, and once done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix your PC if it doesn't detect your headphone microphone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.